Hi there, let's take a look at your submission for the Chapter 5 Prepare a Case. I just want to show you one interesting little effect that you may have been wondering about. So I'm looking at your employee report sheet. I see that you have the functions constructed correctly, but you might have been wondering, like, why doesn't the result display like the result in the book? And you may have also deducted that it doesn't display correctly because of the data that it's pulling from. This SUMIF function is pulling data from a column called line item total. So let's go take a look at line item total. I clicked in the name box, so let me do that again. So if I click away, here's our name box. I'll click down. They're in alphabetical order. I'll find line item total. It'll pop me over to the transactions sheet, and I can see, oh, this is line item total. So if I click on the first one, oh, there's an error here, and that's then making the results not display correctly. So in the comments, I'll show you how to fix this, but just for now to show you, I'm going to paste in the correct formula here, fill that down the column because it will adjust some other results. Now if I go back to, what one, that was called employee, oh, sorry, wrong sheet. You are here, employee report. Do you see now we get the correct results? So this chapter is a monster because there's all these interwoven threads and everything depends on everything else being constructed properly. So it just can be really stressful at times. But I just wanted to show you it's an interesting little correction that happens in one spot that affects another spot. Overall, you did really good work.